Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, scientists have tested the world's first vaccine with an active ingredient designed entirely by artificial intelligence. I'm Emily, your AI helping doctors instead of replacing them sounds like a pretty good deal person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast who just realized we're officially living in the future. First, AI writes essays, now it's helping design vaccines? What's next? AI becoming a doctor?
Not quite, but this is a genuinely important breakthrough. Researchers at the University of Cambridge have successfully tested a vaccine whose key ingredient, called an antigen, was designed completely by a computer. And in the first human trial, the vaccine showed no significant side effects.
That's huge. The vaccine was tested on 39 healthy volunteers in the UK, and it wasn't designed for just one virus. Instead, it targets an entire family of coronaviruses called sarbecoviruses, including SARS-CoV-2, the virus behind COVID-19, as well as SARS, and even related bat viruses that could potentially cause future outbreaks.
That's what makes this so different. Normally, vaccines are developed after a disease starts spreading. Scientists identify the virus, create a vaccine, and then spend years updating it as the virus changes. It's a constant race.
Kind of like trying to hit a moving target while it's running away.
Exactly. So instead of chasing individual virus variants, the Cambridge team fed an AI system genetic data from many different coronaviruses collected around the world. The AI then looked for features shared across the entire virus family and designed a super antigen that could train the immune system to recognize them all.
In other words, instead of building a vaccine for one specific virus, they're trying to build a vaccine for viruses that don't even exist yet. That's pretty wild.
According to Professor Jonathan Heaney, who led the research, this could make vaccine development much more future-proof. Rather than constantly updating vaccines every time a new variant appears, scientists could potentially create broader protection that lasts through many mutations.
And if this approach works on a larger scale, it might eventually help with other diseases too, like influenza or even Ebola. That's a massive opportunity for global health.
Of course, there's still work to do. This was a relatively small trial with only 39 participants. The next phase will involve a larger and more diverse group of volunteers to better test how effective the vaccine really is.
But even so, this is one of those moments where AI isn't generating pictures or chat messages. It's helping scientists prepare for future pandemics before they happen. That's the kind of AI story everyone can get behind.
Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And stay curious. The next big medical breakthrough might not come from a laboratory alone. It could come from an algorithm. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll see you on the next Spotlight.